bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see.
Magandang umaga po. Good morning. Happy Monday po. Welcome back to our channels, Yuki Pinay. I'm going to bank today because I received my new passport now. So I can change my bank account. Mapapalitan ko na yung bank account ko sa awa ng Diyos kasi dumating na yung bago kong passport. Pupunta ako sa ngayon, Newcastle. At ipapakita ko itong new passport ko at saka yung original na marriage certificate at yung photocopy na naman kasi noon pumunta ako hindi nila in-accept ito. Sabi nila computers no. Kaya pupunta ako sa Newcastle ngayon, sa bangko muna, sa Barclays at sa post office kasi alam nyo, chinik nila yung passport ko nung pinalitan ko yung apelyido ko. 16 pounds I pay for checking and sending. But I asked the lady in the counter, you know, if it's okay to send a photocopy for marriage contract. He said it's alright because with photocopy anyway. So are you sure? He said yes, I'm 100% sure. But the passport office rejected. So they asking me the original photocopy, but I went there the other day to get a refund, but the post office never let me to refund the 16 pound that I pay for check and send, you know. But the passport office gave me a letters from the passport office to refund the money. So I will go there with my receipt because they check my passport application to change my names. So but you know, they still sending without the original photocopy. I got the original but they take only the photocopy. So I got letters to go back there to refund the money, you know, with my receipt. So that's my job today. Samahan niyo po ako. Pupunta ako sa Newcastle at sa bangko muna kasi kailangan ko din na i-send yung original sa driving license ko, original na marriage certificate. Kaya samahan niyo po ako doon. Pupunta muna ako sa Newcastle kasi mas malayo kaysa sa galleries. Kaya samahan niyo ako doon. Magkita-kita tayo sa Barclays. Sige, mamaya na po. Paalam. Really sorry po. Hindi ako naka-update sa Barclays nung pumunta ako sa Barclays kasi bawal mag-video doon at saka sobrang ulan, umulan, wala pa akong kapayong-payong kaya hindi na ako nakapag-video nung nasa Barclays ako. Napalitan ko na yung account na apelyido ko sa account. Hindi nila tinignan yung marriage contract, yung bago ko lang passport na British passport, yun lang ang kinapi nila. Hindi na kailangan yung marriage contract kaya napalitan ko na yung ko. Already changed my bank account, my names, only my British passport they asked, and the marriage certificate they said don't need that because you already got your British passport. So napalitan ko na yung apelyido ko. Really sorry na hindi na ako naka-video doon kasi bawal naman sa loob, maraming tao sa Barclays kaya bawal din mag-video doon. At saka ang lakas din ng ulan, nang lumabas ako umuulan na masyado kaya dire-diretso na lang sa bus stop. Bumili din ako ng Jollibee. Salamat sa Barclays na palitan na rin kasi two times na nag-appointment ako, hindi nila pinalitan kahit man yung original copy ko sa marriage contract, hindi rin pinalitan kaya bumalik ako doon sa Newcastle kaya napalitan na din. Ito lang British passport ko ang tinignan nung lalaki sa Barclays, kaya napalitan ka agad. Saka pumunta din ako sa post office kasi I went to the post office because I need a refund for my sending and checking to my new British passport, 16 pound, at pinakita ko din yung yung letters na galing sa British Embassy. Kaya walang alibis, walang at binigay yung straight away yung 16 pound ko na refund, at kinuha nila yung letters na galing sa British Embassy, kaya naripan ko na din yung 16 pounds. Wala yung babae doon nung isang araw nung nag-check yung passport ko. The woman who checked my passport in the post office is not there. It's not there. Another lady. So, and she asked me, "You need to send something." I said, "No, they're already done. Only I need a refund, So everything has been done. I sent my driving license as well. Isinin ko yung driving license ko kasama yung original na marriage certificates. Yeah, baka ngayong linggo, probably this week, I receive my driving license din na bago. Kaya thanks God, napalitan na lahat at wala nang problema. At pabalik-balik sa bangko 3 beses at pabalik-balik din sa post office. But iniripan nila lahat. Pasensya na po, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog sa labas kasi alam nyo ang lakas ng ulan, walang kapayang-payang sa Asuncion. It's hard raining today as well, raining. It's not yesterday, today, I mean. Kaya hindi na ako nakapag-vlog, kaya umuwi na lang ako. Kaya pasensya na po, akala ko makapag-vlog ako sa labas, sa Barclays din. Pero hindi, bawal doon kasi ang daming tao. Pasensya na po. At naripan ko na rin. At salamat din at napalitan ko na rin ang bangko. At na-receive ko na rin ang bagong passport. Ito ang bago, ito ang luma. Kinat nila. This is the new one, this is then the old one. It's been cut, so I don't need this old one now. But just keep it, just in case. Kaya, salamat po sa mga panonood nyo, sa mga boring na may vlogs. Thank you very much for all your supports, for your subscribers, for your followers for the Facebook. Maraming salamat po. At sana naman patuloy kayong ding sumuporta sa Facebook page namin, Yuki Pinay. At welcome po to all the new followers. Shout out kayong dyan lahat at maraming salamat. Mag-ingat kayo palagi. Hanggang dito na lang po at maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Thank you very much. Paalam!
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together.